How to know if someone blocked you on Snapchat? So it's actually really easy to know if someone blocked you because if someone has blocked you, you won't be able to message them again or see them on your friends list. So, for example, if you're friends with them and you go right to the friends option, if you can see them here anymore, that means that they have actually disappeared and they have blocked you or unfriended you. So, in order to rule out if they only unfriended you and not blocked you, you can head over and then search for them. Head over and click on the search option and then search for a friend. And if you can still see them right here, that means that they haven't blocked you yet. However, if you haven't seen them here already, that means they have blocked you. And also to try reaching out to them if you have a conversation with them on your inbox. And if they actually doesn't respond, that means that they have blocked you. Or if you receive an error, it will also mean the same. So that's how you know if someone blocked you on Snapchat. Hope we help.